So right here we have a blank silhouette cameo, and Siser North America just came out with EasyPSV. I'm thinking there's something we need to do about this. Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. Welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to customize this silhouette cameo with two colors of Siser EasyPSV. Hang out. All right, now we have our cut pieces ready to go. So today I'm using removable black cat EasyPSV and the glow permanent EasyPSV. So the next step is going to be weeding. So I'm going to use my Siser weeder to remove away the excess material and the cavities within my cut transfer. And now that we have our stuff cut and weeded and ready for the application tape, before I get there, I just want to briefly explain what I'm going to be doing. So today I decided to use the EasyPSV Glow and the removable EasyPSV. Now the Glow is a permanent material, so if you don't plan on putting it on something that you want the design on for a long time, then this is what you're going to want to do. I created a contour underneath it with removable EasyPSV so that down the line, if I wanted to change my design, I could easily remove the full transfer, including the glow, all in one go. So what I did here is with my cut, with the application, there's two different ways I think you can do this. There might be a few more, but in my mind, I'm so used to heat transfer vinyl that one way of doing it would be applying your underbase first and then eyeballing your foreground. That's what I'm used to doing with heat transfer vinyl. But in the EasyPSV world, what's awesome is you can use these crop marks. And what I did is I cut both these designs with an inch square, two of them on each transfer. And these will actually line up, creating one transfer. So what I'm going to show you here with the application is I'm going to start with using the Siser application tape, and yes, those are grid lines, so that'll help you line it up when you are applying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to my foreground first. Peel my paper backing off. A couple different ways you can do this. You can start from one side and roll it to the other, or you can start right in the middle and kind of roll it across. Then what you want to do is grab a squeegee. I have my Siser squeegee ready to go. Apply some pressure. Create a bond between the tape and the glow EasyPSV. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to peel where the crop marks I have up, and I'm going to cut the paper backing underneath the crop marks. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my removable underbase, and I'm going to line up my squares with my removable. And this is going to help me line up my foreground to my background in one transfer. And then once I have those lined up, I do what we call the Hinge Method. And I'm going to peel back this paper backing off of my glow and kind of let it roll right on top of the removable, which is going to help line it up exactly where I want it. Once I have that good to go, I'm going to use the squeegee, apply some pressure there, and create that bond. Now, once I have that good to go, I can remove these crop marks now that I don't need them. And I'm going to cut these off. And now I have my 2-color transfer ready for application. Let's get it started. All right, so I'm taking my transfer off of the paper backing. I'm gonna lay it upside down for now because I wanna make sure that you have a good, clean surface before you do your application. We have the cameo all set to go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my transfer using the grid lines on the tape, and I'm gonna go line it up with the bat and just kind of let it fall into place. And in case you don't have it where you want, it's okay. You can remove it and line it up better. And then you want to take your squeegee and apply some pressure. And then from one corner, you want to peel down and kind of have it go against itself as you're peeling away that transfer tape. And there you have it. And now we have ourselves a custom silhouette cameo. This is pretty cool. I'm digging this design. Now, everybody wants to see, how does the Glow EasyPSV look at night? Let's check it out. And that was a quick tutorial on how to apply a 2-color EasyPSV transfer using permanent and removable EasyPSV. If you want to find out more about the line of Siser EasyPSV and all of our HTV materials, you can check us out at siserna.com. or contact your authorized Siser distributor or reseller. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.